Nemuganti, let me tell you, somebody brought me information about Umeme. I rang the Umeme manager. Nemuganti, this and this is happening in your department. Maybe before you go on radio. Kubanga, I'm not extremist. An extremist here a blackmailing. I mean, I don't blackmail. No. Are you aware? Are you aware that things are going wrong in your which department in Jimubulida? Hey, see, let me find out. We are rang me 3 times. But an extortionist, that's where we differ. When we come here, for us, when we have a simu, ngogenda ku TV to influence you. Ngakati wenkugambye nti mu Uganda temubadde non-government organizations ziri active. Why? Non-government organizations thrive where government delivery, service delivery is poor. Abazungu tebagenda kujjawo sente za non-government organizations. No. Abazungu bakimanyi. Kasojjawo sente za non-government organizations. China oboji wadde gundi. As long as they address their issue, bagenda kuwana kakati mweno COVID crisis, the non-government organizations are back. They can even tell you, mwabatamivu, mutukubire simu eno, distress phone. We can even hire a lawyer for you.
Right.
Are they helping us? Nalaba this way mitiana. I laughed. Aba TV mu bagenzeeyo driving from Kampala to Mitiana laba abatamiivu anti mmere tebayina mmere osobola kunywa walagi gwe nga tolina mmere. Walagi is a spirit. Walagi mwenge gwa bagagga tebasobola obuulire anti bafa omutima gwabika kyova olaba. Do you know why Europeans drink more coffee than we?
Olinga abantu banyoka walagi
banywa whisky kakati today. Yes, non-government organizations are making a brisk business. Non-government organizations to the extent nti non-government organizations bebadda bayise through televisions ono tayina mmere and government bagimaze. People are getting food from non-government organizations. What explanation do you have to explain the sentence wajja mu parliament? Nti Katongole atuse n'okubazimbira testing centers. How the money intended? Why does this task force meander? Lwaki balekawo bye bakola ne bakola bye batasaanidde? The aim was intended for food. Don't tell us the destiny. Totubuulira temutubulira task force akalolo okulutu leka kutukwata totukwata tulina amagezi.
Omutwalo gumu gwe bawandikidde bakiza kitiba company.
This is political rhetoric. Omusaala gwange bagumpa nengutwala mu banka. I found State House kyenali sisuubirayo. There was a circle in the State House. Sinza kubeera member wa circle nga ndi mu State House. The State House staff also needs a circle to do what? Saali member wa circle. Era nabalabanga abo baladisi nga bajja bavuma bannakyobe. Why? Ateekayo omusaala gwe n'agufunirako ki? Salary loan. Salary loan bakugamba bakulekerako 40%. Kakati bajjanga ne bagamba nti osooka kukola ndagaano my money will go through the bank. Kati agenda n'akizuula nga kyeyeewoleramu tekikola magoba n'omusaala bagukwata. Baddanga ne bagamba toddamu okuyisa omusaala gwange mu kinamga but you signed I have an obligation. Nga banekyo babavuma.
Kati ku mutwalo gono kyogamba.
Kakati kyenkugamba sente zange bazimpa nga za musaala. I'm in a more difficult situation now. Is it when I surrender? Why should I surrender my salary? The money Parliament has passed is more than what you need, and its purpose is not yet good.
That is
baprovoking Kadaga into navumitinga. If an RDC, in addition to his salary, is getting 15 million per month, are you mad to detect my salary?
55 million is a COVID.
But wait, that's how Uganda Revenue Authority operates. Ekwato abanaku bano negala obuduuka bwabwe nga babbi sente toyinza kubimbulira tosobola kubimbulira sente ze babawa okugula emmere mu ministry ya health emmere yaguliddwa sente ze babawa okugula ambulances ziriwa bano balyoke bamiyandalinge task force eryoke emiyandalinge etubulire ne sente ezaaliwo ezebasigaziza. Are we interested in the money you have or we are interested in food?
Ebigambibwa nti abaka bawedde obukadde obulala nabo
babongere bajja kulya naye 11. If you introduce a practice with your wife that whenever you have sex you have to pay, then you are turning your wife into a prostitute. Kakati parliament mwagimanyiza tinankabirwa bw'aba ina movement caucus muzeeyi watusuubiza akantu kaffe. Whenever there is a law to be passed balya sente kakati ku luno bategeera ti Museveni was sidelining them. Parliament kata kanagirekawo bumukole ebintu byammwe byonna naye temugamba nga nti parliament teyaliwo for accountability. Bagenda okukitegeera nga sente zirina kuva mu parliament, bagenda okukitegeera nga amabanja gebeewoze gonna galina kubeera verified ratified by parliament. Parliament gye baali balwanyisa nebalemerera. Kakati bagenda mu movement caucus nabaga nti parliament bwogizanyisa eringa mukazi oba omukwata n'omusajja omala kugenda nolwe bakatukina meditation, go and sleep for 4 days, decide, make a decision that will not regulate. Omukubye muvumaganye muvumiza n'akasajja kasajja kakugambye mukazi agambye tomalaako ndalo ng'agamba salo ngo tomalaako okumalaako oyinda kuvuga mailo meka kyovola babantu kati bayina akadwaga bakaita kamagulu assa abantu. Kakati nembaga nti mmwe parliament mugikubye mugidiscreditings but you have not do away with the parliament. Omukazi ojja mukima akugambye nti newo wanswaza nnyo tugende awalala awusikyaddawo naye nga landiroodi ababanja kati munajja muti ebintu. The same people who discredited the parliament are going back to parliament ebayambe. Abaganda bakugamba nti gakuweddeko ng'ayombera gy'asaka. Okusaka applies to a person who feeds his family by cultivating for people who can give you food is what we call okusaka. But if you quarrel with a person who gives you food after doing work there, meaning that the embassy has been closed, kakati where will you get food? Omuganda kyava gamba, you are stupid now, you've lost wisdom. Why? You are quarreling with a person where you get food by digging. Are they many in the village? Kakati parliament omuganda n'akugamba nti omusezi ayina emmere ye, omuwabutu ayina emmere ye, tabula gwatta, because they will come for food. A man who uses poison to kill people will continue killing as long as these people, he has what attracts them to do. Government cannot do away with the parliament. Yes. Ba Erika Ruhanga ne bagenda mu court ne balaba omulamuzi, abalamuzi ne bepanka ku parliament ne bagamba abange parliament is a grave, the judiciary is a coffin. In fact yes, judiciary cannot win a war against parliament. Why? Ne sente zimukozesa muzijjawo singa parliament eyogera mukimanyi nti ku coronavirus gundi bagiwadde sente judiciary yo yazikozesa eti yazikozesa nga tebatuula yabawa sente judiciary tu. Parliament ekufuga ng'oli mulamuzi nekufuga nga tonna bufuni. Kavuma oyinza omuwa appointment yonna n'ayita mu parliament. Ono omukazi eyabagambye mbu abataddeko enjaketo simanyani, I don't know whether he is a woman or not. Ono yabagambye mu parliament agitaddeko enjaketo musajja alifuna ekifo ekirala because he will go through the same parliament for vetting. Kavuma aliyinza okuyitamu ekitegeeza parliament musoma akatabo kange sagadde kusoma katabo lwaleero. Why Museveni is a successful be blood? I tell you nti abagenda mu CA bagendera ebitongole bibiri. Presidents batunulira Obote, judiciary batunulira Masika. Why? All of the people who went to CA, the majority of people Obote put in prison were from the opposition. By the time we elected the CA, the people who went to CA, the politicians, were linked to the already political party in the opposition because UPC was in hiding. Kati aba UPC bakola ekyobusiru, George Masika akomawo chief justice w'Obote mbwayagala yabakulira olukiiko. All of these people bajirira obusungu ku judiciary, balina okuwumula, balina okukola ki, they did not have any sympathy. Nga bwolaba nti bannayuganda bagirya ebibiina by'obufuzi mu CA LC1 LC2 LC3 LC4 bagana ebibiina by'obufuzi okuddawo. Mengo yagamba a document which came from Mengo ebibiina by'obufuzi babisibe emyaka 10. Mengo document, if we produce this document ne tubagamba you people a non-democratic society esiba ebibiina by'obufuzi tesobola kubeerawo federal n'akamu. You cannot find it federal in a dictatorship sharing resources except in a name like in Nigeria. This is what they don't know. Federal is not a political system. Nobody should deceive you nti bwogenda mu parliament oyogerayo federal. Parliament ekola ku political systems zisatu. Yes. Single, multi and any other democratic movement, multi party and any other. Kati akulimba nti wagenda kujirayo federal akulimba teriyo mu parliament. Federal is a form of governance. Kakati kyenkugamba nti Kadaga yasiba parliament bajje kubako bwe bagwa. Kakati
mchala wa amanyi
yes yategeera amanyi ga parliament. Ate Museveni naye n'ategeera parliament because a vibrant parliament helps Museveni agoba ababbi. Gwerinda coronavirus egwe. These people badde sente z'abantu zebakunganyiza through the Katongole committee zebakozesa zino bazibbe. What exposes them is the mushrooming buildings. Henzike Babyloni nga chugudde Babyloni nga chugudde ebyo bizimbe mu bitume Babyloni bijja kugwa bijja kubatta sente zenzige sente za kizonna ziri omwo bwe bidduka kakati they are facing Museveni yasirise bwati olaba Museveni yayumba ne Kadaga olaba kyobulaba nti bamafia baga nti Museveni
yamanyi Kadaga
yes a vibrant parliament helps Museveni Mirundi helps Museveni bo bagamba nti oyo omusajja bannange omusajja nga ayogera president aleka yibira namuwuliriza. If it is true as the mafia say, there is a Ugandan, a very influential person in Uganda who is going to be killed. And the man is panicking. He has tried to see the president using all of channels, State House, Kaka, everywhere. The man has been frustrated. He told me, you are my last resort because the gun I've been protected, which has been protecting me, has been withdrawn by the police. And if this man dies, I will expose it. It will lead to an overhaul of security, of State House, everywhere. If this man dies, he is a very powerful and influential person in this country. Agamba anti infa. Tuzicha predictions. Predictions kitegeeza nti ebyebikiro. Predictions. Katonda kuleta ebyebikiro n'otegeera. Yes.
Waliwo bagala NSSF
ekisooka guno mulembe gwa kweyoza. One, tetusobola kuddira mbagamba. This is when the Sudirus should also fight for their banks. As the parliament is negotiating, is ratifying, is giving Uganda permission to borrow money, ne banka z'abano ziddewo. The post-coronavirus will need stronger banks. Na zino centenary banks zibe recapitalized to help us okukola emirimu. Kubanga bino byonna bye mugamba loan zibiki, banka nayo tejja kusonyiwa loan nakuwamu time nga teyina capital. Ekitegeeza we must find a solution in our means. Banka ya Sudiru Kureni Bank ne yabakiga zo ziddewo. Basuula nsuule. Let Parliament pronounce itself. They did not conclude on the banks. Banks the bugulu woman yasuulanga nsuule. Ono gundi banka ya tefe bajesuulira ab'Emmengo be bajesuula. They have a deadly mafia group eyatundanga ebintu ne basets zirayo. Let government pursue the civils who took the assets. Never Sudiru mbakirize bazewo banka zaazo muzi capitalizing oba mubawola sente mu kyogamu babawola sente bazimba amahoteli kuba basajja basudiru bagezi bagamba president nti you need 7,000 beds ngoyina abagenyi bameka
kasanvu 7,000 kasanvu ebitanda kasanvu
olwokuba Museveni ye musajja mugezi yagamba nti ne bate barabisuzeemu naye we shall have conferences in the future which has materialized. When you have hotels, Museveni yayogera nti namufunamu nnyo yabagamba nti twazimba nti Mozambique yazimba damu nga mu lutalo nga tenneefuga damu y'amasannyalaze kayamaanyi nga tebagakozesa olutalo bwe lwaggwa that dam only attracted the investors because there was cheap labor. That's Museveni lukusifa. Yes. Kati banka zino muzizeewo kyemusobola okutuyambiramu banka ya Sudiru yayina enjawulo, unlike other banks which operate on professionalism. Ono yayinamu obuntu, yayinamu hybrid. Nti looni yongeekanye, you could find Sudiru at Kabira Club nemwogeramu mu kifo ky'abaana okuvungavunga. Sudiru was available. Era president yakugamba nti Airanga, a relative of mine, wanted to borrow money. Museveni himself yagamba abasuubuzi bakasiita ti a close relative of mine wanted money from me, from Museveni president. I didn't have the money. The remaining option was to borrow from the bank. Airanga somebody and asked him, that's what the president narrated. I asked him, which bank took our former banker UCB? Nebamugamba nti gundi eno banka bagitaniya Stanbic. Oh dear, Hiranga Stanbic, thinking that it was a transfer. The government still has interest in the bank. Kwa yali anonya commercial banka ki yasikira commercial bank ani yagisikira kuba yete yamanya modalities nti bagigulira ddala tayina amuse nakubira. The president says Hiranga, the manager of Stanbic, was away, was in a meeting, introduced himself as General Museveni, the president of Uganda. The secretary said, I will inform the man. The secretary did not panic to call the man in the meeting. The president yakuita. The man did not ring Museveni. President yamuboza mu meeting yaba bankers. Do you know that Iranga you? Yes. My secretary told me that you rang me. Man calling himself Museveni, the president of Uganda, rang me. Why didn't you respond? I'm a Kenyan, Your Excellency. In Kenya, a president cannot rang a bank manager. So I thought it was a con man. Yagandi shughuli yangako. Yes.
Normally does not make
kakati
calls to institutions.
Yemuyekera. He wanted to find out. Museveni yababuuza, if you can be arrogant to me, the president of Uganda, for the interview, and you don't respond, what happened to those small people who come to your Gundi? Kakati Gundi president n'agamba nti after failing to secure a quick loan from Stanbic, which formerly belonged to government, Airanga Sudiru, Crane Bank. Within an hour, Sudiru had finalized